How to share NGL link on Facebook story. First things first, open up the NGL app on your phone. You'll want to make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're in the app, look for an option that says copy link or something similar. Tap on that to copy the link to your clipboard. After you've copied the link, tap on the share button. Keep tapping on next step until you see the option to share on Instagram. Tap on that to open up Instagram. In Instagram, tap on the sticker icon at the top of the screen. It looks like a square smiley face. Among the stickers, look for one that looks like a chain link or a URL. Tap on that to select it. Once you've selected the link sticker, it will prompt you to paste the link. Tap on the URL field and paste the link you copied earlier. Tap on Done. You can move the link sticker around by dragging it with your finger. Put it wherever you want it to appear on your story. When you're happy with the placement, tap on the arrow icon in the bottom right corner. Choose your story from the options to share the content to your own story. Tap on Share. After sharing to your Instagram story, you'll have the option to share to your Facebook story. Tap on Share to confirm. Once it's shared, you'll see a little icon indicating that it's been successfully shared. And that's it. Thanks for following along with our tutorial. Now you know how to effortlessly share an NGL link on your Facebook story. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful tips. See you next time.